Every so often, you have to email somebody something you'd rather not leave lying about. Bank details for a refund, a document with your address on it, a password for your mum. And the second you hit send, it's gone. It's in their inbox and it's staying there forever. They can forward it to whoever they like, and anybody who picks up their phone can read it. Now, Gmail has had a fix for that built in for years, and almost nobody uses it. It's free, it's on your phone, and it takes about 15 seconds. You set the email to delete itself. It's called confidential mode, and it does 4 things. 1. It expires. You pick a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or 5 years. After that, they can't open it at all. 2. They can't pass it on. No forwarding, no copying, no printing, no downloading. The buttons just aren't there. 3, and this is my favourite, you can pull it back. Changed your mind an hour after sending? Open your sent folder and remove access. It shuts. And 4, you can lock it with a code that gets texted to their phone. All of that is free on an ordinary gmail.com account. You don't need a paid plan and you don't need a computer. Right, here's where it lives on your phone. Open Gmail and tap compose like you're writing any other email. Put in who it's going to and what it's about. Now up in the top right corner, beside the send arrow, there's 3 wee dots. Tap those, and in that menu you'll see confidential mode. Tap it. That brings up a panel from the bottom. At the top it tells you what it does. Underneath there's your expiry options: a day, a week, a month, 3 months, 5 years. Tap whichever one you want. I'd go a week for most things. Underneath that is the passcode option, and we'll come back to that in a minute. Then tap save and send the email exactly like normal. You'll see a wee blue banner on the draft telling you when it expires. That's how you know it's worked. Now, this is the bit nobody ever shows you, and it's the reason people don't use this. You've no idea what turns up at the other end. It depends whether they're on Gmail. If they are, it just opens like a normal email. They'll see the expiry date at the top, and the forward, download and print buttons are simply gone. They don't have to do anything. If they're not on Gmail, so Outlook, Yahoo, whatever, they get a short email that says you've sent them something confidential with a button to view it. They click that, put in a code, and it opens in a browser. So it's a bit more faff for them, but it's not complicated and it works fine. Right, this is the one I really want you to know about because it's the one people can't believe. You can take it back after you've sent it. Sent it to the wrong IFA, changed your mind an hour later, realised you shouldn't have put your account number in. You don't have to sit there hoping they haven't opened it. Open your Gmail, go into the menu and tap sent. Find the email and open it. And down at the bottom, there's a button that says remove access. Tap that and it's shut. Even if it's already sitting in their inbox. Next time they try to open it, they get nothing. That works right up until the expiry date, and honestly, that on its own is worth knowing about, even if you never use any of the rest of it. Back to the passcode option because there's 2 settings and it's worth knowing the difference. Standard is the default. If they're on Gmail, it just opens. If not, they get a code emailed to them. SMS passcode is a stronger one. A code gets texted to their mobile, so they can't open it without their phone in their hand. That's the one I'd use for anything with bank details on it. There's one catch though. For the text one, you have to put their mobile number in when you send it. If you haven't got their number, just use standard. Now, let me be straight with you because the name oversells it a bit. It cannot stop a screenshot. Forwarding and printing are switched off, but there's nothing stopping somebody photographing the screen with another phone. So assume that if they really want a copy, they can get one. It's not end-to-end encrypted. Google still holds the keys, so Google can still read it. This protects you from the person you sent it to passing it around. It doesn't hide anything from Google. And the expiry is for them, not for the servers. When it expires, they can't open it anymore. That's not the same as the message being wiped off the face of the earth. So think of it as control, not secrecy. It stops the ordinary problems. It's not a safe. So when's it actually worth using? Not every email, these ones. Anything with bank details on it, anything with your address or your date of birth, a document going to somebody you don't really know, a password for a family member. Set it to a week. If they need it after that, they can just ask you again, and that's 30 seconds of bother for a lot less risk. Compose, 3 dots, confidential mode, pick how long, that's the whole thing, and it's free. Send this on to whoever it is that emails you their bank details in plain email. They'll thank you for it. Cheers for watching and mind yourself.